Now, as we continue our little Instagram journey here, and some of this applies to other platforms, but I wanted to focus on one platform at a time here rather than trying to give you all these things to go across multiple platforms. Maybe we'll come back and do another one for YouTube and YouTube Shorts and what have you. But as we continue our Instagram journey here, let's dive into the dynamic world of stories and reels. Imagine these features as the stages where your brand's personality or your personality truly gets to come alive, or it gets to shine its brightest. Yes, stories and reels are where your brand's personality shines brightest on Instagram. It's where the scripted nature of posts meets the spontaneity and authenticity of real life. And boom, magic happens. So let's think of Instagram stories as your brand's daily diary. Yeah, this is a place where you would put more candid behind-the-scenes glimpses. Because they're 24-hour snippets, they are really perfect for building that more personal connection with your audience. Share the daily life of your brand, right? See what happens behind the curtain, so to speak, the processes behind your products, and even a few of those ever-loved customer shout-outs, right? Someone does something amazing. Maybe they have a big breakthrough because of your product. Give them a shout-out. Or they just did something amazing, has nothing to do with you or your service. Give them a shout-out. The ephemeral nature of stories adds an element of intimacy. Encourage your audience to tune in regularly so they do not miss out.